So this is the pound dollar analysis for Tuesday, 12th of December. Now, let's have a look what happened with prices. So we've seen quite a bit of weakness coming in regards to the pound. We have come down to the 400 period moving average. I was just talking about this previously. We did retrace back above the 200 period moving average. We have stalled out in around the 35.20. We've seen prices come down. Small retracement, and then we did see the break of the 400 period moving average. Now, we've seen the weakness, so we've got a high there, we've got a lower high there as well. In context of this overall trend, we did have this counter trend move here, but we've posted a high, high, lower high. So we do look poised for more downside momentum. Now, prices have come down towards this 33.50. This is the horizontal level we are looking at present. Let's bear with me a second here. So the horizontal level that we are looking at is a 33.50. We do appear to be having a rejection of that 33.50 at the moment. We'll see our prices continue to react around 33.50, after which we'll be targeting at 33.04, below which we're looking at 32.81. Those are levels we're looking at immediately. Now, if we do see a turnaround from where we are at present, we'll be looking to see our prices react to the the 400 period moving average, as well as the level marked out here at 33.68. Again, the confluence for further sell side momentum. If we do break above that, we were looking at these previous highs over here where we did have a rejection of this 34.29 level marked out here on the charts. 34.29. So we did come down to this 33.70 or so. 33.60, 33.70. We had to move up to test at 34.29, and again we did see a breakdown of prices breaking below this 33.68, invalidating a double bottom, possible double bottom down there, and we have seen the move continue downwards. Now, if we do successfully navigate 33.68, we'll be looking to target at 34.29, beyond which we've got the 200 period moving average as well, beyond which we're looking at 34.88. But we do seem more likely to be heading to the downside, so this rejection possibly from 33.50, a move down to 33.04, 32.81 already mentioned, and below that we are looking at, these are levels we're looking at. So just grab the pen just here. So levels that we're looking at below 32.81. 32.81 was a very strong level in the past, so we might possibly see some consolidation or a bounce of that 32.81. If we get down below 32.81, the very next level that we are looking at, and here we are. So the very next level we're looking at is in around at 32.20. We did see some buy momentum come off that 32.20, and below which we're looking for 31.93 and 31.47. I can't imagine will come into focus here on the 12th of December. But far end of the range, possibly you'll be looking at in around a 32.20. In around the 32.20 if we do break down from the very strong level of 32.81. So we've mentioned all levels to the upside and the downside, as well as the dynamic levels. So we'll just have a look at the daily chart before wrapping up here on the pound dollar. So if we head over to the daily chart, and here we are, get scale on here correct. So on this daily chart, we can see our highs for 2017 so far, 36.57. We do appear to be posting a lower high at the moment. It did look at retracement at one point. We did have a positive reaction of a 20 period moving average, but we have seen further sell side momentum coming into the market in regards to the pound against the dollar. Now, the momentum has taken us back down to this 20 period moving average. So again, we have to see our price react around that 20 period moving average, as well as the horizontal level of 33.50. We've mentioned all levels beneath that we are looking at. We still have not invalidated somewhat. So pretty much coming to, we've not invalidated most of these moves to the upside. We've had a deeper retracement. We've had a deeper retracement than we would like. But yes, in light of the most recent trend, which is this here, we do look poised for more downside momentum, even though overall we did seem bullish at one point, but the most recent trend does appear to be to the downside. And with that said, that's wrap up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.